Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You do have that Jeep badging up front there with your tow hooks on your bumper. And coming around the side here we do have our 18-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. They look great. Do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, you do have your spare tire in the Jeep fashion with your tow hook just down there. Open it up just right here and open this guy up like this. Lots of room back here. You can also fold this up. You do have your sub just underneath there if you want to blast some music, and then you can also fold these seats forward if you did need extra room. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our remote start there and our panic button. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your locks as well as your lock there, your handle and another handle. A little bit of mesh down here to put something. And it does look great in here. It does have the leather seat with the Sahara badging. As well, you do have this guy to lift your seat up and that one to lower it down. And then over here we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. As well, we have our light control, so auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams. And if you pull this guy right here, you do have access to the back there. There's 3 seats. They look fantastic. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. In the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 58,000, not too bad at all. And on the other side it does tell us the temperature outside as well as which direction we're facing. You can switch that around to the digital speedometer. You got your average liters, your tire pressure, as well as your timer, vehicle info, your units, your system, personal settings, and back to your direction and temperature. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then you do have your windshield wiper controls right over there. In the center we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, so you got your AM, FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your Bluetooth options, your radio button, your media tab. It does also have a hard disk drive built in, so you can load music right onto it. You have your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Recreation Place. And then you do have your volume up and down with the power. You got this guy that loads the CD in just right back there. And then you also have your menu here, your audio, your files, and your USB is back there, as well as your aux cord right there. You got your controls over your windows here, and then down here we got our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, temperature, and AC. And then you do also have where it's going to blow plus your defrosts. You have the mirror control, heated seats, traction control, your downhill assist. You also have your hazard lights, your outlet, and your heated seats for the passenger side. You have your control over your 4-wheel there. You have your gear shift here, cup holders. You have your e-brake, and then over here you do have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, so top and bottom layers right there. And then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.